Master Australian Business Registration. Get your ABN and business name sorted fast. Did you know that running a business in Australia without an ABN can lead to your income being taxed at the highest rate? Or that if you don't register your business name, someone else could legally take it from you? If you're starting a business, getting an ABN and registering your business name are crucial steps that many people get wrong. In this video, we'll walk you through the entire process step by step, while also covering the relevant laws you need to know to stay compliant. An ABN, or Australian Business Number, is an 11-digit identifier issued by the government under the ANU tax system, Australian Business Number Act 1999. It's not just a number, it's a requirement for operating a business in Australia. With an ABN, you can legally invoice clients, claim tax credits, and avoid having payments withheld at the highest tax rate, which is currently 47% under the pay-as-you-go (PAYG) system. It also makes it easier to deal with the Australian Taxation Office (ATO) and other businesses. However, just applying for an ABN doesn't mean you'll automatically get one. The Australian Business Register (ABR) assesses applications based on whether the applicant is genuinely carrying eligible for an ABN. Only individuals and entities carrying on a business or enterprise in Australia can apply, as outlined in the ANU tax system, Goods and Services Tax Act 1999. This includes sole traders, partnerships, companies, and trusts engaged in business activities. Many people assume they can get an ABN for tax benefits, but the government has strict rules to prevent this. If you're not actively operating a business, your application may be rejected under the ABN entitlement rules set by the ABR. So before applying, it's important to ensure that you meet the criteria. The process of applying for an ABN is straightforward, but missing key details can cause delays. First, you need to gather the right information, including your business structure, tax file number, TFN, and a description of your business activities. Once you have everything ready, you can apply online through the Australian Business Register, ABR, or the Business Registration Service, BRS. The application is free, and most people receive a decision within minutes. If approved, your ABN becomes active immediately, allowing you to start trading. However, before you can legally operate under a business name, there's another crucial step. A business name is the name under which your business operates. It's what customers see on your website, invoices, and marketing materials. However, a business name is not the same as a company name. Under the Corporations Act 2001, a company name is the legal name of a registered company and usually ends in "Tai Limited." Registering a company name automatically provides legal protection, whereas registering a business name under the Business Names Registration Act 2011 only grants you permission to trade under that name. That's why checking name availability and understanding trademark laws under the Trademarks Act 1995, a name that isn't your legal name, you must register it. This is a legal requirement under the Business Names Registration Act 2011. For example, if Emma Brown runs a bakery called Sweet Treats by Emma, she needs to register that name. But if she trades simply as Emma Brown, no registration is needed. Aside from the legal obligation, registering a business name helps establish credibility. It allows you to open business bank accounts, create professional invoices, and build trust with customers. Without registration, someone else could legally claim the name and prevent you from using it. Registering a business name involves a few key steps. First, you must have an ABN or have applied for one. Without an ABN, your application won't be accepted. Next, you need to check if your desired business name is available using the ASIC Business Name Register, as required by the Australian Securities and Investments Commission Act 2001. ASIC won't approve names that are already taken or too similar to existing ones. Once you've found an available name, you can register it through the Business Registration Service, BRS, or directly with ASIC. The final step is to pay the registration fee, which can be for 1 or 3 years. Once payment is processed, your business name will be officially registered and you'll receive confirmation. However, registering a business name does not give you exclusive rights to it. If you want to legally protect your business name, you may need to register it as a trademark under the Trademarks Act 1995. Many business owners don't realize this until it's too late. So, if your business name is a key part of your brand, it's worth considering trademark protection to prevent others from using it. Getting your ABN and business name registered is a crucial step in starting a business in Australia. Doing it right from the beginning will save you time, money, and legal headaches down the road. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Aussie Legal Insights, and turn on notifications so you never miss an important business law update. Have any questions about ABNs or business names? Drop them in the comments below, and we'll be happy to help.